Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick tour of a celebrity reflection balcony stateroom. More specifically, it's 6176. Let's go check it out. So walking in, quick overview. All right. So as soon as you come in, this is an attached stateroom. So this first door is attached to the next stateroom. So if you have a family member or a family group of people you want to be next to, this is a good room because there is a door that separates the two rooms. Going a little bit further in, you got a little mirror. Hi. You have the AC unit. It's not like the newer like digital ones, but that's how that works. You have the light switch, the master light switch, which controls everything. And, oh, there we go. All right, going in. Got some water, which I think you have to pay for. And then you got outlets, 110. You have a light switch for the little vanity light here. A little computer work area, if you will, with a chair. And then you have a closet with some hangers, little rack, an umbrella, that's the word. Then you have a couch, which I believe is probably a pull-out, or you can sleep on, with a little chair. You have your safe is right here, along with your fridge, which I don't know if the last people left this or if this is stocked. I don't know. That's weird. And then you have some drawers. And then here is the bed. It is a king, which can be separated into two twins. Little cubby holes next to the bed. One on each side. And then you have the balcony. Which I am on deck 6, so it is an obstructed view, which right outside is a lifeboat. But it's big enough. There's two people, or there's two chairs and a table. You can sit out here, enjoy breakfast, get a drink to go. Make sure that's locked so your AC works. And then going back, we're going to check out the bathroom. Here is the bathroom, which this seems to be one of the bigger bathrooms I've been on for a cruise ship. Have some cubby holes to store your toiletries. You got your sink. Some more little cubby holes. The trash can, the toilet. The shower, which has shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The handheld shower like every other cruise I've been on. And a glass door that shuts. And that looks like the bathroom. Not a whole lot of counter space, but it is what it is. Also, there is a plug-in up here, but I did not see hair dryer, which sometimes the ships have hair dryers, but that is the tour. So I did not see any USB ports. All I saw were these two 110s. I would bring a plug extender, a non-surge protected plug extender. The one I use, I will put in the link below, or I'll put down below in a link so you can see what I use. But that is the tour of a balcony stateroom. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for other cruise ship tours and rooms and day-to-day activities. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you, and as always, have a great day. Bye.